she is preparing very, very hard for her upcoming wedding reception.
本日はジョンさん、さとみさんのウェディングパーティーにお越しいただき誠にありがとうございます。お席にはThank you for waiting. The bride and groom are coming here soon. When you see them at the entrance, please welcome them with a big hand. Attention to the door, please. 改めまして会場入り口ご注目ください。新郎新婦お喜びのご入場でございます。Give another big hand. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to John and Satomi and John's wedding reception. My name is Kotoko Tanikawa. It's such a pleasure for me to be your host today. まずはこの方の声でスタートしたいと存じます。新郎よりのウェルカムスピーチでございます。Now our groom then will make a welcome speech. では早速ではございますが、お二人にはここでおめでたい席には恒例の鏡開きをしていただきます。We would like to kick off this happy occasion with a Japanese traditional ceremony called 鏡開き。私が3度よいしょと掛け声をかけますので、お二人は3度目のよいしょで杵を振り落として酒樽の蓋を開けてください。I will say よいしょ 3 times and at the third よいしょ, please strike the barrel lid with your mallet. Are you ready?
Yes.
それでは参りましょう。よいしょよいしょよいしょ。ここでお二人をお囲みし、声高らかに乾杯へと進めてまいりたいと存じます。皆様方のテーブルへとお祝いのお酒をお届けいたしますので、今しばらくお待ちください。Now we will move on a toast.Please wait for a while until your sake are ready.
Okay, here it's now we will move on to a toast. So can you please add two?
Okay, now we will move on to take a moment to invite Bride's mother.
Invite? Yes.
Invite.
You almost said invite, so try to make it more like it.
Invite.
It's very subtle. ほんとちょっとした。
We'd like to invite Mr. blah blah blah, Bride's uncle to propose.
No, there's no R. あるなし。Propose.
Propose.
You like her. She's a good MC, isn't she?
I hope so.
And she's my student.
Thank you.